Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Epic Games account to your Twitch account. First, open the Epic Games app on your PC. You can also do this using a web browser by going to the Epic Games website and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your profile name or profile icon. Click on it to open a menu. From the menu that appears, select the option called Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. Now that you are in the account settings, focus on the left side of the screen. There is a menu with several options. Look for the option that says Linked Accounts and click on it. After clicking on Linked Accounts, scroll down the page. You will see different services listed, such as PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, and Twitch. Keep scrolling until you find Twitch. When you find the Twitch section, you will see a button that says Link. Click on the link button next to Twitch. You will be asked to sign in to your Twitch account. After signing in, Twitch will ask for permission to connect with Epic Games. Next, click on the Authorize button to continue. This allows Epic Games and Twitch to communicate with each other. Once you authorize, the window will close automatically. Your Epic Games account is successfully linked to your Twitch account. Thanks for watching.